Protect clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, moisturizer, or eye cream. Your eye area is delicate, so lubrication is very important. With clean hands, we're going to do 2 times per section. We're going to begin with under eye massage and lift. We're going to use our fingers like this, and we're going to gently apply acupressure all along in a lifting motion here, like this. And we're going to sweep up and outwards, like so. Release. Now we're going to do our upper eye and brow massage and lift. We're going to use the same finger like so, and gently apply acupressure in an upward direction here, like this. And now we're going to sweep, like this, sweeping up and outwards, drying away any puffiness, and release. Now we're going to do eye lifting exercise. We're going to use our palm to gently lift and smooth our forehead and our brows. And we're going to do eye circles, one direction and then the other direction twice, like this. Switch. And sweep it all down, like so. We're going to finish with self-healing. Grab your hands and gently place over your eyes. Allow the healing energy from your hands to relax and restore your eyes.